Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we talk a lot about career, motivation and a lot of things which makes mine and your life a lot better and easier. Well, I'm definitely sure that if you are on YouTube, you must be knowing this person very well. Everyone around is talking about experimenting and has a lot of hype about leaving your comfort zone and doing something out of the box. Well, this person is a living example of the same. Today, we're going to talk about Vedant Rusty, a YouTuber, creative director, consultant, host of a podcast, and being a student himself is an inspiration for a lot of students who look up to him for his thoughts about alignment with parents and a lot more. Well, wait. Let's dive into this video to know more about him and his journey. But before you leave, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So here we go. So basically, for example, when you were going and volunteering for a few things, I personally as a person suggest कि if you're learning new things, don't think of the ऐसे मत सोचो कि तुम्हें पैसों के लिए करना है. But here you're saying that you wanted to earn something, that is why you got into it. So
there were two things, right? I had one paid internship. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं उसी को कर रहा था. मैं उसके एक पेड के साथ साथ मैं दो तीन ऐसे भी कर रहा था ना, जो कहे कि ठीक है तू सीख ले हमारे कंटेंट पे एक्सपेरिमेंट करके. So the paid internship, I had to do work 2 घंटा every day. For the unpaid stuff, for the stuff where I was experimenting. For example, I used to design all the posters for my debates and theaters. So वहां से तो पैसे नहीं मिलते because कॉलेज की सोसाइटी थी. But the posters that I was designing, वही posters हर जगह जा रहे थे. I was getting feedback from the audience and the people who were registering, etc. तो मेरे को वो feedback loop मिल गया था कि ठीक है, ये यहाँ पे ये गलती हो सकती थी, यहाँ पे ये पोस्टर बनाया, इसमें ये वाला फॉन्ट यूज हो सकता था, ऐसे ये वीडियो एडिट करी है, इसमें ये पेसिंग का इशू सॉल्व हो सकता था. तो ये ऐसे आई थिंक आई लर्न मोर और लेस. या एंड देन वंस आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग, देन आई स्टार्ट माय यूट्यूब चैनल just so that I could improve my video editing skills. I was working professionally making content for a startup, but मेरे को अगर उनके content को अच्छे level पे लेके जाना था, तो मैं अपने personal content के expense पे सीख रहा था. So that is what it was. Yes. Yeah.
Lovely, amazing. People don't want to experiment and people don't want to come out of their comfort zone. That comes to my...
Yeah. Always यार कि तुमको अगर grow करना है, तुमको अगर personally भी grow करना है, not just in terms of numbers or career or whatever, you have to be willing to experiment. Experiment, optimize, repeat is my motto of life. एक्सपेरिमेंट करो, एक्सपेरिमेंट से रिजल्ट्स आने के बेसिस पे अपनी प्रोसेस को ऑप्टिमाइज करो और फिर दोबारा एक्सपेरिमेंट करो. आई थिंक दैट इज द ओनली वे टू स्टे रेलेवेंट, टू स्टे ऑन टॉप ऑफ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन ट्रेंड्स इन करियर इन व्हाटएवर, एंड दैट इज द ओनली वे टू ग्रो. यार, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, एक्सपेरिमेंट तो करते रहना पड़ेगा.
How is it like staying alone from your family? Like for students, it's a very big decision to move out and take that decision, and especially moms के लिए. And if it's a boy, तो मम्मी का तो लाडला ही है, you know, right?
No, I mean, it's quite difficult for both boys and girls. I would give it that. But यार, इस मामले में मेरे पेरेंट्स ने कभी मेरे को वो नहीं बोला. Like my father always says कि अगर तुम्हें लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना है तो तुम्हें पीछे छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा. There's no other way to do it.
In here, that since you consult startups, can you tell us a little about what should a startup think of, or you know, the tips or the ABCs that they should be thinking before launching the startup, and of course a little about investors as well.
Yeah, these are very specific topics because a startup is not just a startup. A startup might be making coasters as well, and they might be doing really well. Or a startup might be a tech company जो phone बना रही है, software बना रही है. You can literally do a startup. In fact, a YouTube channel is a startup in itself. So it's not about startup in particular because the term is too vague. And as far as investors go, कोई भी investor बन सकता है यार. 5,000 रुपए देने वाला भी इन्वेस्टर ही होता है, 5 करोड़ देने वाला भी इन्वेस्टर ही होता है. So you have to first align what your goals are for your business or your startup. Why are you doing a startup and not doing a corporate job or a normal job or a family business? Why do you actually want to go into the startup? Because the startup life, the startup world is very challenging. It's very daunting. You might have to wait for years before you see any good results. You might have to go without an investment. So किसी को भी स्टार्टअप करना हो तो उससे पहले मेरा बस एक ही सवाल रहेगा कि बहुत ही सोच समझ के घुसो. Of course, the field is very rewarding.
What is the most rewarding factor of your work?
Currently, the fact that I have the liberty to work when and where I want. It doesn't mean कि, I mean, it's a double-edged sword, यार. Like I can decide to not make any videos for an entire month and I'll be fine. But it also means कि मेरे पे वो जो लिबर्टी है कि मैं जब चाहूँ, जैसे चाहूँ, जहां चाहूँ काम कर सकता हूँ, also comes with a downside that it can easily be taken for granted. तो it's a double-edged sword. It's also a liberty कि I can just sit on, अभी यहाँ पे सोफा पड़ा है, मैं सोफे पे लेट के वीडियो स्क्रिप्ट कर सकता हूँ. मैं भी अपना फोन उठा के ऐसे वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर सकता हूँ. It might become one of the best videos that I've ever done. तो वो हो सकता है, but it also comes with a serious responsibility. There is liberty, but it has some sort of responsibility. It's good that I have finally sort of achieved this stage, and of course अभी और भी चीजें हैं जो आगे करनी है, but that liberty that I can do what I want when I want, and the audience will sort of give me immediate feedback कि अच्छा है या बुरा है. That liberty is something that I'm really proud of.
What is that one failure that you're grateful for?
Oh yeah, okay, good question. So I wanted to go out to study abroad right after my undergrad. कि मेरा undergrad खत्म हुआ, मैं तुरंत ही बाहर चला जाता हूँ पढ़ने. And I'm so glad that did not happen. Because if that had happened, अगर मैं बाहर चला जाता Canada, UK, US कहीं पढ़ने, तो I would not have that 2.5, 3 years where I was just experimenting. Where I had no philosophy of कि यार आज से 5 साल बाद इतनी पैकेज होना चाहिए, आज से 6 साल बाद मेरे को ये घर लेना है, जब 27-28 के हो जाओगे तो ये अचीव करना है, ये अचीव करना है. वो 2.5 साल जब मेरे पे कोई वो नहीं था बर्डन कि मैं कुछ भी कर सकता था. I could go and learn anything. I could go on and approach anyone. I could go on and upskill myself to any extent. I could make YouTube videos while working a full-time job. वो लिबर्टी मेरे को नहीं मिलती अगर मैं बाहर चला जाता तो. एंड आई थिंक हमारे यहाँ ये बहुत होता है, हम अंडरग्रेड करने के बाद ही सीधे मास्टर्स में घुस जाते हैं, विच इज अ रॉन्ग अप्रोच इन माय ओपिनियन. इट माइट वर्क फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, जो लोग इंजीनियरिंग करके आईएम वगैरह चले जाते हैं, माइट वर्क फॉर देम. बट माय फिलॉसफी इज दैट वंस यू हैव डन योर अंडरग्रेड, वर्क फॉर अ कपल ऑफ इयर्स, उसके बाद जाके अपनी हायर एजुकेशन पूरी करो, बिकॉज देन यू हैव मोर पर्सपेक्टिव. देन द चांसेस ऑफ यू मैक्सिमाइजिंग ऑन व्हाट यू एक्चुअली वांट टू डू आर मच मोर. तो वो है यार कि एक फेलियर जो नहीं हुआ, अगर मैं तभी चला जाता तो शायद मैं यहाँ नहीं होता, शायद कि 100% में नहीं होता यहाँ पे यार, तब मैं कुछ और ही कर रहा होता.
Already asked you for advices, but 3 things that you will not want students to do while in college life.
I mean, yeah, college life is when you are silly and you get to make mistakes. So there's nothing that I would not advise them to do. I mean, of course, don't do drugs. मतलब hard drugs तो मत ही करो is what I would advise. Because I mean, फिर तुम टाइम बहुत ज्यादा बर्बाद कर देते हो. A. B. Not advise. I'm not sure, yaar. My college life has been very different from the experience that my friends have. Like, I have a few friends जो उनको जबरदस्ती engineering पढ़नी पड़ी, and they ultimately ended up not enjoying it. So if you are in that position where you are not enjoying what you're studying, what you're doing in college, and you have that liberty कि तुम उसको switch कर सको, then please do that. Don't go into studying something that you really don't want to. And I don't know, there's not a third that I have, to be very honest. यही 2 चीजें हैं, जो पढ़ने का मन करे उसी को पढ़ो, ऐसा गोल बनाओ, and drugs मत करो ज्यादा. Well, I'm pretty sure watching this video had to be a golden time for all the youngsters out there. Trust me, if you haven't shared this video with your friends yet, this is the time, go share it. And I hope you enjoyed this raw and real conversation with Vedant Rusty as to how did he pave his way to achieve something that he has done today. Thank you so much for being here till the end, and you can find more about Vedant and his social media links in the description, and of course find about me there itself. And just repeating once more, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care, bye bye. This is Kanishka Thakur signing off.